let's see if there's any, no new Camp Cretaceous small figs. I don't know, the odd chance that there'd be anything new is pretty slim at the moment. They do have the eggs. Probably get some of those again. They've got the old albertosaurus. That one's cool. You got the battle damage Rex and the blind bags. But I think a friend of mine got me the set that has most of these in it. So I probably won't be needing to grab any. Wait a minute. There's Toro. Is that it in this set? Yeah. Okay, yeah, I'll just pick up like a few eggs. And then I'll do some more opening videos and maybe we can get the rest of them. All I need is that one, and that Rex. And I think that's it. 2, 3 more? Yeah. Okay. So I'll see you guys in the next video then. Bye-bye.